Tennis is a sport of passion and skill. Tennis takes more than just hand-eye coordination. It takes dedication. Tennis points begin with a serve that must be made in the box that is diagonal from you. If you miss the first serve, you get a second try. And if you miss that serve, it's called a double fault. And you lose that point. Tennis is scored 0, 15, 30, 40 game. The word for 0 is love. And if you get to 40-40 or 40-all, it's called deuce. And you must win 2 points in a row to win that game. It is first to 6 games makes a set, but you must win by 2 games. If you get to 6-all, you play a tiebreaker. Tiebreakers are scored by ones, and it is first to 7 points, win by 2. To see who serves first in the tiebreaker, you see who served the last game. The person who served the last game will receive first in the tiebreaker. The person who serves first in the tiebreaker serves 1 point to the deuce side, and then your opponent serves 2 points, and then you serve 2 points. It's first to 2 sets wins the match. Different shots are hit in a tennis match, but the first and most common shot is called a forehand. The forehand is hit on the right side of your body if you are right-handed, and the left side of your body if you are left-handed. And for most players, it is the strongest shot. So this would be a right-handed forehand, top spin, and this would be a left-handed forehand, top spin. And the next shot is called a backhand, and is hit on the opposite side of your body as the forehand, and can be hit with 1 hand or 2. So this would be a left-handed backhand, 2 hands, a left-handed backhand, 1 hand. This would be a right-handed backhand, 2 hands, right-handed backhand, 1 hand. Both of these shots are called ground strokes. Ground strokes are hit from behind the baseline. If you receive a ball that lands short inside the service line, you have a chance to hit an approach shot and come to the net. When you are at the net and you don't let the ball bounce, you hit it out of the air, it's called a volley. This would be a volley for forehand and backhand. Volleys are very important to the tennis game. It takes time away from your opponent since you are close to the net. If you are at the net and you receive a ball that is over your head, it's called an overhead. Overheads are most of the time very easy shots, but must be made at all costs. Most of the time you can end the point with an overhead. So this would be an overhead swing. It's kind of like a serve. Since coming to the net is very important in a tennis match, you might get stuck at the baseline a few times. So you must learn to counter a net player. One shot you can use to counter a net player is called a lob. A lob is a ball that is hit over the head of your opponent. But be careful. If you hit the lob short, you give your opponent a chance to hit an overhead and win the point. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you have any further information, just please let me know. Thank you. Bye.